Okay, so we have cosine x is equals to 0.8. This unfortunately is not special, so we have to use our calculator. And we're dealing with the angle x between 0 and 4 pi. So how do we attack this classic trig question? We're gonna go Haya, and what we have is ASTC, and cosine is positive here and here. And to find the reference angle, you're going to hit cosine inverse of 0.8, which is about 0.64-ish. It's 0.643. So the angle reference is approximately 0.643, and if you multiply by 57, that's approximately 37 degrees. So I'm just going to roughly aim for 0.643 being here and here. So you could convert this using unit conversion techniques, but multiplying by 57 is a quick way to roughly know where the arm goes. And so when you're talking about the angles x between 0 and 4 pi, that's 2 full revolutions. So the first angle, x1, is equal to 0.643. The next solution is going to be this far, which is going to be 2 pi minus 0.643. And the next solution is going to be basically x1, the first solution, plus 2 pi all the way around. So it's going to be equals to 0.643, essentially the first solution, plus 2 pi. And then the fourth solution is going to be the previous solution, which is going to be x2. It's going to be plus 2 pi. It's going to be x2, whatever this evaluates to be, plus 2 pi. So by getting this previous answer here, and we add another full revolution, we're practically 2 times around, which is exactly 4 pi, and these are the only 4 solutions within the 2 full loops.